Do you want to grow your LinkedIn network? It's a question many professionals ask themselves. The importance of a robust LinkedIn network is undeniable in today's digital age. It can open doors to opportunities and foster valuable connections. In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of the steps you can take to expand your LinkedIn network. From understanding the algorithm to optimizing your profile and engaging with content, we'll guide you through the process. Are you ready to turn your LinkedIn network into a powerhouse? Let's dive in. LinkedIn, like any social media platform, has an algorithm. Understanding this algorithm is the first step to growing your network. So let's break down how this system works. Think of the LinkedIn algorithm as a gatekeeper that decides which posts get seen and which don't. It does this by scoring each piece of content based on a set of criteria. These criteria include the relationship between the poster and the viewer, the relevance of the content to the viewer's profession or interests, and the quality of the content itself. Here's where it gets interesting. The algorithm isn't just a one-and-done deal, it's a multi-step process that continually evaluates and re-evaluates content. Initially, when a post is made, the algorithm performs a quick quality check. If it passes, it's shown to a small portion of the poster's network. Depending on how this initial audience engages with the post, it may then be shown to a larger audience, and so on. Now, the importance of engagement can't be overstated here. The LinkedIn algorithm loves engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares a post receives, the higher its score, and the more likely it is to be shown to a wider audience. This is why it's crucial to not only post regularly, but to engage with your connections content as well. Regular posting is also key because it helps to keep you on the radar of your connections and the algorithm. When you're consistently sharing valuable content and insights, you're signaling to both your network and the algorithm that you're an active, engaged user. But remember, the goal isn't just to post for the sake of posting. It's about sharing content that is relevant and valuable to your connections. This could be industry news, tips and advice, or even your own professional experiences and insights. In essence, the LinkedIn algorithm is all about fostering meaningful interactions and promoting quality content. It rewards those who are active, engaged, and contributing value to their network. Remember, the more you engage with your connections and post, the more you'll get noticed. Now that you understand the algorithm, it's time to optimize your profile. First things first, let's talk about your profile picture and headline. They are your first impression, the virtual handshake if you will, so it's crucial to get them right. Your profile photo should be clear, professional, and personable. No selfies or vacation shots, please. As for your headline, it's not just about your job title. Think of it as a mini elevator pitch. Highlight your specialty, your value proposition, and your industry. Moving on to the summary and experience section. This isn't your resume, it's your story, so tell it well. Start with a compelling introduction, then outline your professional journey, your achievements, and your aspirations. Use bullet points for readability and incorporate keywords relevant to your industry. Don't forget to showcase your personality. Remember, LinkedIn is a social network. Now, for the skills and endorsements part. This is where you get to show off a little. List all your relevant skills. The more, the merrier. But prioritize quality over quantity. Make sure these skills align with your career goals and your industry. And once you've listed them, don't hesitate to ask for endorsements. They add credibility to your profile. Reach out to colleagues, mentors, and clients. You'd be surprised how willing most people are to vouch for you. And lastly, let's not forget about recommendations. They are like testimonials providing social proof of your abilities. So don't shy away from asking for those either. Just make sure they come from people who know your work well and can speak to your abilities. An optimized profile is your ticket to attracting more connections. So invest some time in it, make it shine, and watch your LinkedIn network grow. Once your profile is optimized, it's time to start connecting with others. Now, this isn't about amassing an army of connections, but rather, it's about forging meaningful relationships with people who can bring value to your professional life. Let's start with a crucial step, connecting with people in your industry. Why is this so important? Well, these individuals understand the landscape of your work, share your professional language, and can offer insights that are directly relevant to your career. They can be your sounding board, your mentors, your collaborators, or even your future employers. Now, how do you approach them? Here's a pro tip. Always send personalized connection requests. It's easy to hit the connect button, but taking a moment to write a personalized note can make all the difference. Mention a shared interest, a mutual connection, or something you admire about their work. This small effort shows that you've taken the time to understand who they are and what they do, making them more likely to accept your request. But don't stop at individual connections. Consider joining LinkedIn groups as well. These are communities of professionals who share a common industry, skill, or interest. Participating in these groups allows you to engage with like-minded individuals, learn from their experiences, and share your own insights. It's an excellent platform for discussions, debates, and even collaborations. Joining LinkedIn groups also extends your network beyond your immediate connections, exposing you to a broader array of professionals. And the best part? You don't just get to learn from them, they get to learn from you too. This mutual exchange of knowledge and ideas is what makes these groups a powerful tool for networking. Remember, the goal is to build meaningful connections, not just to have a high number of connections. So don't rush. Take the time to engage, learn, and build relationships. After all, networking is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. And with LinkedIn, you have the world's largest professional network at your fingertips. So go ahead, start connecting, start engaging, and start building your network. Now that you're connecting with others, it's time to start posting and engaging with content. Regular posting on LinkedIn is crucial for growing your network. It's not merely about the quantity, but the quality of your posts that counts. You want to offer value to your connections, spark conversations, and establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Therefore, it's important to create and share content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your industry. Creating posts that engage your audience can be an art. Here are a few tips to help you master it. Firstly, always aim to add value. Whether you're sharing a blog post, a news article, or a simple status update, make sure it offers something of interest or benefit to your audience. Secondly, make your posts visually appealing. Images, infographics, and videos can significantly boost engagement rates. Lastly, invite interaction. Ask questions, seek opinions, or encourage your audience to share their experiences. This not only fosters engagement, but also builds a sense of community. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin, engaging with other people's posts. This is as important as posting your own content. When you comment on or share someone else's post, you're not just showing your interest, but you're also getting your name out there, visible to their connections as well. This can lead to more profile visits, connection requests, and opportunities to grow your network. Remember, engagement is a two-way street. If someone takes the time to comment on your post, make sure to respond. This shows that you value their input and helps to build stronger relationships within your network. So whether it's sharing an insightful article, commenting on a colleague's post, or responding to feedback, every interaction on LinkedIn can contribute to the growth of your network. Consistent posting and engagement is what will keep your network growing. Every interaction is an opportunity to connect, learn, and build relationships, so make the most of it. Let's quickly recap everything we've discussed. Our journey began with a deep dive into the LinkedIn algorithm. We discovered that this algorithm isn't just a monolithic entity, but a complex system designed to foster meaningful interactions. It values quality content, relevancy, and engagement, so understanding it is crucial for anyone looking to grow their LinkedIn network. We then shifted our focus to profile optimization. Remember, your profile is your online resume and a reflection of your professional persona. From crafting an engaging headline and summary to detailing your experiences and skills, every element matters. A well-optimized profile not only attracts more views, but also increases your chances of connecting with the right people. Next, we talked about the importance of making meaningful connections. It's not just about adding people randomly, but about forming genuine relationships with like-minded professionals. Engaging with their content and starting insightful conversations can open doors to new opportunities. Lastly, we emphasized the role of content in your LinkedIn journey. Posting original content and interacting with others' posts not only increases your visibility, but also positions you as a thought leader in your industry. With these steps, you're well on your way to growing your LinkedIn network. Start today and see the difference it makes.